The shroud thing throws me off. I always considered shroud as just like blocking from light trespass.
Yeah.
Why would that contribute?
In those globe, it's your luminous flux, so it's all the light coming out being put onto a square meter. So that's what that's doing. With the shroud, it's honing in, and every time it's bouncing off the walls, you're losing a little bit of light, just like you lose light in the inside of the fixture. So, I think it's best to have all lights tested, with all that equipment, and you can look and see like everything it's going to do. We've tried to do that. It's a laborious task. But I think that's where everything's going to go. So like, when we do a rendering or do something like that, what we're typically using like IES files for the design, so we could get an idea of like light trespass. And those are all going to be things that seem super complicated, but I've run into 2 projects this year that I had to sit in front of community boards for 3-4 hours and argue with them about light trespass. And, if I didn't have all the documentation, it could have been troublesome for my customer that, they probably wouldn't have gotten approved for the lighting project.